Hi, class. My name is Dennis Boyle. I live in Bakersfield, California. I have over 10 years of classroom experience working with students with disabilities, 8 years of them being as an instructional aide, and the last 2 years as a special education teacher. I've worked with individuals on the spectrum through a wide variety of classes, all of them being self contained. I started working with students with disabilities nearly 10 years ago in a high school nonverbal classroom where there were students that were on the spectrum. Then I transitioned myself into a emotionally disturbed program, which served a wide variety of students with different disabilities, including autism. And now I'm a special education teacher for a SET program, a social emotional transition program here in Bakersfield, at one of the local schools that service students that are emotionally disturbed but also have secondary disabilities, autism being one of them. I am taking this course because I graduated from Grand Canyon University, which is located in Arizona, and the Arizona my degree and credentials don't meet the California requirements and don't have the autism authorization embedded. So that's the main reason I am taking these courses, and I'm excited to learn more about this autism spectrum and hopefully learn more strategies to help me in the classroom.